YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today we are going to be diving a little bit into Mcoin. But before we do that, guys, I want to dive into Bitcoin because, of course, guys, Bitcoin is the market determinant, and we need Bitcoin to be healthy if we want to see some highs for Bitcoin, or if we want to see Bitcoin even have a chance of having an all-time high, we got to see Bitcoin pumping. So we're going to talk about Bitcoin first. You guys can see our entire cryptocurrency market cap coming in at $2.3 trillion today, and Bitcoin coming in at 67,000. Big Bitcoin holding its support above 66 this is exactly what we want to see, guys. We are seeing a little bit of sell-off on the day, but overall, guys, this chart looks amazing to me. I'm going to explain a lot of reasons why this is looking even better than yesterday. As you guys could see, 69% of people thinking that Bitcoin is looking bullish, 31% of people saying that it might be looking bearish. And we have a rule here, guys, on this channel. I don't know if you're new here, guys, but the rule is the iron rule of Thursdays. Usually price action happens on Thursdays. I talk about the fact that fake outs usually happen earlier in the week. We watched that happen over here, I believe on Tuesday. We saw this fake out where Bitcoin shot up and then a bunch of people got liquidated. And since then, we've been kind of, doing our thing. So, but as you guys could see, I do think for a couple of reasons why we're going to have this parabolic move. I do not think that we're going to see another retest of any more lows. As you guys could see on the 1 month chart, we're creating this nice cup and handle pattern. I talked about that as well. The fact that that price action that happened on Tuesday really needed to happen because we can't have a cup and handle without the handle, right? So this is the cup and then the pullback would be the handle. And now we're starting to run our way up. But again, creating possible head and shoulders pattern on the 1 month. Really not concerned about that playing out, guys, because again, this thing's looking like it absolutely wants to rip. This could be the handle, right? This could be the cup, and even this could be the handle. And I really wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin decided it wanted to break up above 68 just today. I really would not be surprised, guys. And I'll tell you why. And this is, again, what I've been saying. And some people would say, like, oh, the market just doesn't look like it's doing much today. The market looks like it's doing much to me because it's doing exactly what I expected. We talked about this fear greed index, right? Guess what, guys? Guess what milestone we just made today that most of you didn't even realize? We are now back in the green on the fear greed index. Guys, this is so big in terms of what I have been saying on this channel. I'm just saying, this is not financial advice. This is just a prediction. But been doing this a long time, boys. Again, not a financial advisor. Can't tell you what to do with your money. Do your own research. Not telling you what to do with your money. But we did talk about the fact that what's happening right here looks exactly the same as what happened at the same time last year. I just talked about this pullback looking exactly even like this pullback. And the fact, guys, that if we are able to see a run up and we are able to get back in this green, I do think that we're going to see a run possibly similar to this, but honestly, guys, I think it's going to be bigger than this. I think it's going to be bigger than this. I do think that this is going to be the biggest leg up in terms of money that comes into this marketplace too. It's going to be bananas, but I do think that this is going to be a humongous parabolic move for Bitcoin. I think that it's going to generate so much FOMO. It's gonna be nuts. As you guys could see, cup and handle playing out right here. And again, we have this giant bull flag also playing out. So we have multiple indicators telling us that Bitcoin is looking like it wants to rip. And again, a lot of the market is turning bullish. So even though it's not a lot going on in the market today, you guys could see only down 0.64%. People thinking not much going on. A lot is going on. A lot is going on. This is definitely looking like what I think is a zone of accumulation, and it seems like we don't have much time to accumulate. So that's why I'm, again, looking for that next 10x, 100x, 1000x meme coin. I've caught it so many times. I was in the first 2,000 wallets for Shiba Inu. I was talking about it on YouTube. A lot of people that were watching me on YouTube already are cryptocurrency millionaires now. They're already 6 and 7 figures deep in the game. We've covered a lot of other coins too, like Pepe coin. We caught that thing dumb early as well. I've had people message me all the time. Jay, dude, you have no idea how much money I made off this coin, off that coin. It's just coins that you talked about that were trending. I'm like, bro, that's what happens when you tap in. We know about things that are going to be trending because, again, we pay attention to where the volume goes on these dips. we're smart. So one way that I track volume, guys, again, because this is a Brettcoin video, is we do it over here on Dex Tools. So the fact that, Brettcoin is constantly trending is an indicator that the market sees value in Brett. I do think that Brett is kind of has become like a household name now in cryptocurrency. I feel like the space is very educated on it, but I feel like retail is not very educated on it. I feel like it hasn't been listed on a lot of big exchanges yet. And so this thing could really run. Like, this thing's not even listed on Binance yet. Why is Binance listed so many other coins, but they've yet to list Brett? I'm very curious to know why that is. But as you guys could see, Brettcoin is holding on to $1 billion market cap right now. This thing all-time high was pretty close to I want to say 2 billion right now. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how close Brett got to how high Brett got. Let's see. Yeah, pretty close to 2 billion. As you guys could see, 1.8, pretty close to 2 billion. I think conservatively, guys, and again, it's just a prediction and it's not financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. I think that conservatively, Brettcoin has a chance to hit like $5 billion. I think, like, conservatively, that's good. That's a cheap price. Anything under $5 billion, in my opinion, is good. But again, that's not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go out and buy this coin. As a matter of fact, I'm going to just tell you right now, don't buy it, just so there's no confusion. Don't go buy Brettcoin. How about that? But I do think that Brettcoin is going to hit like at least $5 billion based off of my prediction. But that's just what I'm predicting, guys. But I'm going to tell you guys also that I did make also a crazy prediction too. Another crazy prediction that I made was that we're going to see a meme coin hit $20 billion in market cap. I think it's going to happen sooner than later. And as you guys could see, Dogecoin is climbing up there, dude. Dogecoin is kind of getting there. It just hit 18 billion just the other day. And a lot of people were saying, oh, we're not going to see this. Guys, I'm telling you, on this next leg up, this move, you have no idea, brother. We watched Shiba Inu go to $41 billion. We watched Dogecoin go to $58 billion when Bitcoin was ripping up back in 2020 and 2021, right? So I'm telling you this, guys, because I was around back then and I was already looking at these things back then and I was already making bold predictions back then. Again, I'm telling you right now, guys, that the gains that we saw back then compared to what's going to happen based off of what has the potential. What has the potential? Let me redact that. What has the potential to happen based off of this chart, this cup and handle that's playing out, this bull flag that's playing out? Guys, this market has the potential to really double, triple. I do think that Bitcoin is going to hit like anywhere between 150 to 200 thousand market cap. I think we're super early in cryptocurrency. Of course, we will see some correction along the way. Even through a bull cycle, guys, we're going to see correction. We want to. So I hope that when Bitcoin does decide it rips out, that it does want to start creating some support. I don't want to see a big parabolic run like we saw back in March when our RSI was up 50%. And I was telling you guys that I was stable coining up at 71,000 right before Bitcoin topped out at 74. That was crazy. I knew that that was going to need some time to cool off. Some people were thinking that we were going to hold on to that 60K range. Some people thinking that we were going to drop down all the way to 45. I was telling you guys that there's a very good chance that we drop down and touch that 52, which was spot on. I didn't think that we would break down further than that. We created that back in September, and ever since then we've been kind of creating this recovery. As you guys can see, we're rounding out the pattern, right? That's what we want to see. We want to see Bitcoin start rounding out. So we are seeing that right now. Everything is looking positive in my opinion, even though again, the market today, it's only moving ever so much, but I do think that we are about to see a big parabolic move very soon. I think it could happen any day. I think that once this thing starts turning up, people are going to feel the FOMO. You're going to start hearing about Bitcoin in the news a lot. You're going to start hearing about celebrities that are talking about coins and stuff like that. Guys, if you ever hear a celebrity talk about a coin, don't do it. Don't do it. If Soulja Boy tells you to go do something, don't do it. If Logan Paul or Jake Paul tells you about butt cheek token, don't do it, guys. Do not do it. Do your research, but I would even say just don't do that. Just don't do that. These people do not understand this space. They don't know how to check contracts. They don't know anything. right? At least follow somebody that knows how to check a contract. And if you guys did not check out my last live stream too, we break down contracts like nobody on YouTube. I promise you. I'm a beast with the contract, bro. I can crawl that thing faster and find bots. I could find, look, like, bro, I'm telling you. So go check out that. But anyway, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to give like a little update to Mcoin. I do think that Mcoin is going to hopefully start turning around. As you guys can see, is holding some support right now at this 1.2 range. And it's slowly growing, right? Mcoin's slowly growing and they're staying active. I like that as well. The fact that Mcoin is staying active over here on their Twitter, and they're getting really good reach too. So I think that Brett has a really good chance of, again, being that coin that can, you know, be that next Shiba Inu coin. And I'm always looking for that coin, guys. I think that, you know, maybe Mcoin could hit 20 billion, right? You guys think Mcoin could hit 20 billion? I think Mcoin could hit 20 billion. And people are thinking, man, that's crazy. Let me just go back. Let me show you guys some of the highs that we were making back in 2020 and 2021. Because people think it's crazy, bro. But even look at these top 10 coins, and I was breaking this down in the what's it called, in my live stream, and it really kind of put things in perspective for me. And let me put things in perspective for you guys, just so you guys understand. For those of you guys maybe that weren't here way back when, but your boy was here way back when. Your boy was here way back here. I was here even way back here for XRP. And let's look at what the market cap was looking like. Like XRP right now, guys, sitting at $31 billion. $31 billion. And again, I'm not bullish on XRP. So this is a stable coin, in my opinion, but it could do well. I don't know. But look where XRP was hitting. $70 billion, guys. I'm just picking top coins right now. $70 billion. Let's look at some of these other coins, right? Let's even look at Tron coin. Tron coin has been a piece of crap. So, as you guys could see, Tron coin is at all-time high right now at 12 billion. Tron coin actually looking like it could break out. And again, we talked about how Tron has been kind of an up-and-comer on this Dex tools over here, and a lot of people trading into this Tron chain. A lot of YouTubers even talking about Tron projects. Don't want to click BNB, sorry. But yeah, I mean, a lot of these coins, man, they're gonna have a huge chance to see some run up. Even Solana, like let's look at Solana. So you guys could see just kind of what I'm thinking can happen in the future. As you guys could see, as far as market cap, even Solana looking super solid at close to $80 billion already, even on Solana. Solana is looking ridiculous, bro. This thing is looking ridiculous. This is looking like that cup and handle with that bull flag that Bitcoin making. This looking like that. And that's what I told you guys. That's why 83% of people are bullish on Solana and 17% are bearish on Solana. Let me show you something else that nobody's talking about on YouTube right now is Ethereum. A lot of people are not feeling good about Ethereum, bro. And I feel like nobody's talking about it but me. I'm very curious to see what's going to happen with Ethereum. As you guys can see, 36% of people bullish on Ethereum, 67% of people are bearish, guys. I talked about the fact that Ethereum was creating this shoulder head shoulder and creating a bear flag right now. Why is Ethereum looking so bearish right now? People are not really talking about it. And I feel like it's important to know, guys, because if we're going to kick off this bull cycle, you know, Ethereum needs to kick it in a drive right now. It can't be breaking down, dude. Can't be breaking down. But a lot of people, again, are not feeling good about Ethereum. And I'm not bashing Ethereum. Maybe it's because the fees are high. Maybe because Solana is just doing so well right now. And people are just kind of wanting to trade into those Solana pairs a little bit more. But that, again, is something that I'm paying attention to, guys. These are things that you want to pay attention to. But anyway, guys, this is a Mcoin video anyway. But I like Brett, guys. Again, I like Brett. I think that Brett has a serious chance of doing some amazing things this cycle. I do not think that this thing is already topped out. I can't always be wrong. It's not financial advice. Not a financial advisor. I'm just your homie Crypto J. I just talk about the things that trend over here on Dex Tools and other websites, things that people are talking about on Twitter. And in my opinion, guys, that's super important. But who you decide to follow is up to you. What you decide to listen to is up to you. You always have to do your own research, okay? Don't make any financial decisions based off this video, please. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.